Hello guys, welcome back to a new episode of Quick Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can delete your Flashfood account. Keep watching the video till the end. To delete your Flashfood account, firstly open your Flashfood application. The official page of Flashfood will appear on the screen. Log into your Flashfood account if you are not logged in by entering your email address and password associated with your account. It will take you to the home page of Flashfood. Tap on the three lines at the top left corner of the screen. Click on Settings option. On the next page, tap on Delete your account under Account section. Confirm deleting of your account by clicking on Confirm. This is how you can delete your Flashfood account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching.